wanting it.
Alright, so we done step number 1. We selected a jury.
No.
So we need to do the opening statement. Each side will outline the proof presented to the jury during the trial. Opening statements are not evidence, only expectations of what each side expects the evidence to prove.
Corrupt, over here. Corrupt, over here. Stand over here, Corrupt.
Your Honor, the plaintiff's not even in his box.
Neither is the other one.
Okay,
So shut up!
I'm trying to set up some stuff right now. Just give me a second.
You know what? Is this your courthouse? No, this is my courthouse. I will put you people wherever the hell I want to put you. Shut up, I know it's Stone.
Okay,
Okay, so I guess the accuser is going to go first and give me their side. Their opening statements.
Yes.
Spit it out.
1 second. There's something. I'm having trouble with my recording right now. Okay, alright. I'm gonna stand right here and just give my statement.
Move up, I can't see you, child.
Is right here fine?
That's good. That's
right
good.
here?
Don't talk to me, talk to the jury.
Okay. We are here today to address
Speak up, can't hear you. I'm all the way up here.
Could I please give my opening statement without you interrupting me?
Hey, I was just trying to hear.
Okay. We're here today to address the issue of griefing. The defendant is guilty of this issue. No matter how small or how large the damage is, griefing is still griefing. I have the evidence with me today.
Is this an opening statement? This is not an opening statement.
Is the one who damaged my client's work. Jury, the outcome of this trial sets out how we...
This is not an opening statement.
It is an opening statement.
No, it's not. You're accusing him. You gotta tell me how you...
Can I continue?
Opening statements are not evidence, only expectation of what the side...
I'm not giving evidence, now am I?
Try again.
No, I'm giving my opening statement. I'm not doing anything.
Hey, don't look at me. You look at the client.
Can I continue with what I was saying?
Yes, go ahead.
The client?
Shut up.
Jury, the outcome of this trial sets up how we address this issue in the future, and I hope you make the right decision.
Stone.
I'm done with my opening statement.
Alright, you other people.
Hey, ladies and gentlemen of the jury.
Wait a minute. Wasn't you just up here?
No.
You got green eyes and brown scrubs, and he's got green eyes and brown. Are you guys related? Because that would be a conflict of interest.
No.
Wait a minute.
I think they're twins.
Oh my God! I got brown eyes and green scrubs.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, Your Honor, we're here simply today because my client is accused of griefing. Now, let's look at the definition of griefing in the gaming community. It means to maliciously and on purpose damage someone's property with the intent of depriving him of the use of that property. My client never did that.
Don't do it.
And the beautiful thing is, it being a civil suit the way it is, it's on the plaintiff to prove that my client did it with malicious intent to deprive them of the use of the nether tunnel that they're speaking of. And I do not believe they can do that. That's all. Thank you.
Mr. Despair, that is a great, observation thingamajigger, but I would love to let you know that you got an arrow in the back of your head.
Yeah, I know.
All right. Now with the crappy opening statements out of the way, let's do the Hey!
He shot an arrow at my client.
I will not be doing any more lawsuits today. We'll wait till next week. Hey. We're not to that part yet. Okay, we're to the presentation of the evidence and testimony of witnesses. Go ahead.
Yes.
The
So
accuser.
can I call my witness?
Yes.
I call my client, corrupt cosplayer, to the stand.
Hopefully he has some voice because I hate reading. Yes, I know, it's Stone. It's Stone. Stone.
Yeah, corrupt, can you turn on your mic, or is that not possible?
It's like he's trying to tell me something. Like it's stone.
Okay. You ready? Try Alt as to push to talk. I don't know.
Stone.
Not that. Can we wait until my client has his mic working, please?
Settings, options, push to talk. No. Yes. Anybody got a burrito?
No, but I got an apple.
No.
I got chicken.
I
got some bread.
Pew.
Pew.
It's R. Okay.
Pew. We should make a chicken sandwich. Pew. Pew.
Hey, shut up. You got an arrow in your head.
Wait, where's the bailiff?
I don't know. We don't have enough people for a bailiff.
Can I be part of
Judge, is
our
it okay
jury?
if my client just types?
I guess.
No, that's not acceptable to me. Your Honor, I object. My client's gonna get on the stand and talk on the microphone.
Look, keep your PP in your pants.
I'm just telling you, I object.
I just want to move it on. I don't want to be
Okay.
standing up here all day. I'm
Alright,
hungry.
I'm gonna ask my client my questions. Okay. At this
Stand
point.
down here. You don't need to be up there. Don't stand up there. That's an infringement of his right. What if he sneezed and got it on you? Then
Okay.
you get sick.
Now, Kaito, please tell the jury what happened.
Stone. Here, I'll do it for you. I logged on to the server, and there was a tunnel. In my tunnel. Oh, the horror.
I don't remember seeing that typed.
Hey. Look, I'm the actor here. And a hole next to my nether portal. Hole. Star hole. Wood. Pigmen got in. Oh, the horror. The ugly
Right.
pink bastards.
Now, Kaito, what did you do as soon as you saw that damage?
He peed himself. I peed myself. In horror that this
Don't put
happened
words
to
in his
me.
mouth.
Oh, sorry, he has a type chat. My bad. hey, lady, shut up. I will hold you in contempt of court.
You okay?
This has got
fine.
to be the worst court that I've ever seen.
Say it on group chat. Get annoyed.
Judge Judy
and
would
fill
be
the entrance
disappointed in
with
us.
mini tunnel with netherrack. Sorry.
Alright, now did you tell anybody of this?
No.
That was perfect.
That was kind of good.
I said
Alright.
this in the group
And what
chat on
happened?
Skype.
What
Thingy.
happened after that? After you said in the Skype chat, what happened?
Sir, can you please keep your smoker's cough down?
Alright, now, jury, when NPC got on, yes, he looked at that hole, and I don't know if your client, Angel, knew this at the time, but NPC put on a griefing tool to tell if anybody griefs. Now, I want to show you, address your attention to the
Your
Skype
Honor,
chat.
I would like to object to him calling it a griefing tool. It's not a griefing tool. It tells you who broke what block. If I break a block at my own house, it is not griefing, and you can go check and see that it says I broke that block, correct? Therefore, it's not a griefing tool. It doesn't just log griefing. It logs who breaks what blocks, who places what blocks, and so on and so forth.
But the tool itself,
Hey, I'm not
the
speaking
creator
to you.
of it
I have
is
registered an
called
objection.
griefing tool.
I have registered an objection, and I'm waiting for Your Honor to sustain or overrule it, and he should sustain it because I'm correct. It doesn't just log griefing. It
Because you're
logs
telling
everything.
me what I'm doing, I'm overruling it.
Oh, I have a great case for a retrial.
Great. I don't
Alright.
even know that I'm going to do one
Now-
trial.
I would like to address your attention to the Skype chat, where I will be sending a file.
I believe everyone already has this file.
Yeah, everybody has this top file.
Alright.
Yeah.
So, but I did something a little bit different.
Oh, so you edited the file.
Oh.
So you contaminated evidence.
All I did. No.
It's not an original file.
Just wait.
I farted.
So did I.
Oh god.
We've got to win this baby down here. Oh
I
God.
can see the stars going up.
Why are all the windows closed in here? God!
Shut up.
Now,
You're using the oxygen.
I sent that file. If you would all, please, jury, hopefully you have 7-zip, because that's what I had to use in order to send it.
It says the file isn't available, so I can't make it into evidence.
And I'm in full screen
Wait.
anyway.
Who's currently sending?
It's current sending to me. If I get a virus in this, oh, you don't have to worry about lawsuits. I'm gonna shred your character to smithereens. Oh my God, it's all popping up in the middle of my recording. Why is there a PNG and a PNG too? What the hell?
Now, I would like you all to open the first PNG file.
I would love to, but it's not letting me because it won't let me download it. Your Honor, he's withholding evidence from the defense. I called for discovery before the trial. All this should have been sent to me so I could prepare for trial. It was not.
You know, in all to be fairness, it's basically the same thing, just without my screen.
Yes.
That's fine.
All I did was
I
zoom
do
in
appreciate you editing that out.
Yeah, looking at it, it's the same thing, just
I zoomed in.
my desktop is missing.
I zoomed in on the.
That's not a bad thing.
Although there is this angel guy that I gotta take care of. He keeps teleporting to me. God dang bastard.
I think you teleported me to you on that.
And look, damn it, I'm the judge. Presume, Orion.
I'm
Okay.
sorry, but you're gonna fry. I can't win today.
Corrupt, you may step down from the stand.
No.
I call.
Oh, no.
No? Okay, wait. Now, everyone, look at that picture. Are you looking at it?
I did.
Did you look at it?
I did. I did.
We see the fucking picture. What's the point?
Alright. I just want you to be prepared. I am now allowing a cross-examination.
You're allowing, I'm allowing. You're not allowing
Fine.
shit.
Fine.
I'm allowing. You, with the despair. Please step forward.
Okay, first off,
And I know,
he
it's
was-
wood.
He was never sworn in to testify.
Yeah, okay, yeah,
Just
okay.
As a matter of process here.
Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole
he didn't
truth, to
swear
help
him
you
in.
Minecraft?
He's not answering.
He's broken.
Oh, okay.
Do you
Okay,
swear
okay.
that the last statement was true? Swear to Minecraft.
Okay, so I only have a couple questions for you here.
Stone.
You found the damage in your tunnel, and you posted it in the Skype chat. So you were worried about it, obviously, but you weren't worried enough to take it directly to the owner of the server who could handle it. Why was that?
Somebody dropped their nuts.
Please talk.
Because I was kind of used to holes in places, and I figured that who did it? Wait, that doesn't make sense when I
Wait,
say
what?
And he figured out who did it.
I
I
would
get
say
it.
sorry after an offer to fill it in.
You would, that's correct. But have you dug through the nether a lot?
Aw.
Have you ever accidentally broken into someone's nether tunnel before?
I'll talk about that later, Minnie.
Well, I know that you filled it in. And I have no issue with you filling it in. And I'm not saying my client shouldn't have filled it in, but you accidentally broke in the tunnel. And the definition of griefing is to do it on purpose and maliciously, which You're admitting that you've accidentally broken into another tunnel before, so is it not possible that my client accidentally broke into your tunnel?
Objection. Krupp never actually said that he broke into a tunnel.
Yeah, actually, he did if you read. Yes, he did. I asked, have you ever accidentally broken into someone's another tunnel? And he said yes, and filled it in. Therefore, he admitted that he has accidentally broken into someone else's nether tunnel before.
Overruled.
So back to my question. No, that's not griefing. You know, if we wanted to call that griefing, then whoever blew up all the creepers out at the arena griefed it. Or whoever blows up a creeper is griefing it because they just leave it. That's not griefing. Griefing is to maliciously and with intent to deprive the owner of the use of, destroy an object. Which is not what happened here. It was an accident.
The definition of griefing: a griefer is a player or multiplayer video game who deliberately irritates and harasses other players within the game, using aspects of the game in unwanted ways. Griefer derives pressure permanently exclusively. My screen's too far away from the act of annoying others, and such as in a particular nuisance in online gaming community, since griefers often cannot be deterred by penalties related to in-game goals.
Therefore, accidents do not count as griefing. I'm done with this witness.
Please step down.
He spoke after he was off the stand, Your Honor. You need to strike that from the record.
That's been striked.
Okay.
All right.
Jury, you're to disregard that.
All right. Would you like to call your next witness?
Yes. I call
That's
Mordecai to the stand.
Oh, Your Honor, did you see that?
No, I was sleeping.
Which one do I go to? This one, that one?
Go to the other one. The plaintiff just disrespected me in chat, Your Honor.
No, not there anymore.
Shut up.
Okay.
Or I'll ban your ass too.
Now. Everyone,
I still love you.
It's wood.
Mordecai,
it's wood.
look at the picture.
The
picture.
Are you
Yes.
telling
Yes,
him
the
or are you
picture.
asking him? Because if you're telling him...
Will you please look at the picture, Mordecai?
Thank you.
I'm looking at the picture.
Alright. Now, in that picture, is that not your name saying that you broke that block?
Yes, that is my name.
Now, did you purposely see that tunnel and then dig through it, even though you clearly saw that tunnel?
No, I did not.
Now, how did you not see a tunnel that was clearly in your path and you kept on digging through it?
Your Honor, this has been asked and answered.
Proceed.
Will you please answer the question?
Okay, I was using my efficiency 4 pickaxe and I was sprinting through the tunnel, so I couldn't really see what was around me. Because, you know, efficiency 4 is pretty fast, breaking blocks in the nether.
Correction, it is fast breaking nether rack. It is not, however, extremely fast breaking stone and stone brick, which is what my client's tunnel is made up of.
I would like to bring to the point, if you actually look at the picture, it says that block break by Mordecai was netherrack on position 1072 373 in the world of nether. So
Thank you.
In fact, it was not stone, it was netherrack.
Yeah.
Thank you, Your Honor. I was getting ready to point that out.
Hey, you're not supposed to be talking. And you
I
can
didn't-
object.
Objection on his objection.
I didn't object.
Alright, anyways.
This is an
1
ass
second.
backwards court.
This would be
Mordecai.
great for reality
Yes.
TV.
Now, I want to ask, what happened when you saw Krupp's tunnel? What did you do?
When I saw Corrupt's tunnel.
Yes.
I never really saw Corrupt's tunnel.
But you broke that block in front of Krupp's tunnel, and you clearly continued digging on the other side. How did you not see Krupp's tunnel?
Like I said, efficiency 4, pretty fast, breaking netherrack, while sprinting in the nether.
Now, picture's not calling out. 1 second.
Really?
I can't pull up the picture. Okay, anyways. On the other
Sorry,
side...
Honor, I've got typical difficulties.
Yes, technical. Can I...
Corrupt, I swear to God, if you don't shut up, I'm going to hold you in
Alright.
contempt of court.
However, you said that you were breaking netherrack. You broke the netherrack, went over to the other side of Corrupt's tunnel, and continued digging. You did not, however, break through his tunnel, but you still did damage around the tunnel. Now, I gave you the photos in Skype. And now, explain to me how you didn't see the tunnel, even though you dug through, stopped, walked through his tunnel, and continued digging from there on out. How did you not see that tunnel?
Your Honor,
Before you answer that, and before you object, you need to be standing in the middle, please. What's your objection, Mr. Despair?
My objection is there's no photos of any other damage besides that of the initial break through the tunnel. There's no photos of evidence of him breaking through to the other side or going through the tunnel to get to the other side. There's been no evidence of that presented. There's no photo of it. There's no visual proof.
Sustained.
Thank you.
Please carry on, Mr. 23.
I'm done.
Mr. Despair, would you like to cross-examine your witness?
Yes, I would.
Okay, you're
Mordecai?
done. Please sit down.
Mordecai, do you
Why
have
are you holding netherrack? Are you trying to point something out?
Yes, I was going to see if my client had that efficiency 4 pick on him right now.
I do.
Oh, well, let's just see how far an efficiency 4 pick
break
something before you have to move forward. So I want you to stand right there on the end.
Right
and
here?
break. Yes.
Okay.
break, Pop.
Oh, look at that. 5 blocks ahead. It can break 5 blocks at a time without seeing someone's tunnel ahead of it. That's interesting. My questions are done.
Please be seated.
What?
Your Honor, I don't have any witnesses or anything. If the prosecution's done, I'm done.
Prosecution, are you done?
I'm finished.
All right. Prosecution, please give your closing arguments. Corrupt, you're in your final warning. I will hold you in contempt of the court if you talk out of place again.
Wasn't his final warning 2 warnings ago?
But that's not the point.
I'm just saying, I haven't
Look,
drawn
you're on
any
your
warnings.
final warning too.
I haven't drawn any yet.
Well, you're on your final warning now. All right?
Can I give my closing?
Please give your closing arguments.
Alright, I would like to remind you of Kaito's story. When he went into his nether portal, he saw a 2x1 tunnel on either side of it. He told NPCKiller, and NPC got on, and that is where that picture that says Mordecai broke
Your
those
Honor,
blocks come from.
I object. In the
I'm in my
statements,
closing statement, you do not object.
I can't object because you're giving information that was never given in witness testimony. I'm reading back through witness testimony. He never said that there was a 2x1 tunnel on either side of his tunnel. He said he found block missings in his tunnel.
Can I give my closing argument, please?
You need to strike that, Your Honor. He's giving information that wasn't given in testimony.
Sustained. He
Thank
didn't
you.
say that it was a 2x1.
He also didn't say I was on both sides of the tunnel.
Shut up, okay?
Anyways,
Damn it, my daddy's calling me.
now, all my client wants is to have Mordecai to do some community work and repair the damage that was done. Nothing more. The outcome of this trial sets up any future trials on griefing. Whether Mordecai is judged innocent or guilty is up to you.
Are you done?
I walked back to these.
Well, I know,
stand,
but
am
I'm being nice and I'm waiting for you to say you're done because I don't want you to.
I'm
like-
done.
Okay, because you know me, I'll start walking back and then I'll think of something. Basically, we admit that Mordecai here accidentally broke into Corrupt's nether tunnel. We have no issues with that. We admit that. He will gladly go out and fix the damage if he needs to. But he did not do it with malicious intent. He did not grief it. And that's what he's being charged with, is griefing. Also, I believe that the prosecutor during his closing statement said they were requesting that he do some community service. The actual complaint that was given to me requested that he be banned from the server, which I think is a very harsh punishment for something that was an accident. Basically, I think the prosecution hasn't been able to prove that he did it on purpose. I'm done, thank you.
This is the point where the jury goes and gives their verdict. They talk in sidebar.
Yeah. I think the judge is kind of indisposed, so maybe you guys should go in another
Yeah, like go
channel.
to another channel and then
Talk it out.
Minnie and Skippy, just go with it.
And my client will stand here, and your client can stand there. And Orion, me and you need to have a little sidebar.
Yep.
Oh, this thing is on now? Okay.
What channel are we going on?
Let's go to recording.
Hey! I missed some stuff.
I sent the jury out to deliberate to a
Hey,
different
damn it!
channel.
You are not the judge.
What recording one should we go to?
Number 3.
Damn you! Go to number 3.
User left your channel.
Can you move me over there?
User left your channel.
Yeah.
Can you please move
User
over
left
there?
your channel. User in your channel is recording.
Okay, so me, Golden, and Skiffy stay on this one?
Yeah. Wait, no. Yeah. Wait, what? Yeah. I don't know. I'm lost. I'll move all the jury up here.
Alright.
User was moved out of your channel. User left your channel. User in your channel is recording. User was moved out of your channel.
Why you guys joining?
Jesus Christ, what a clusterfuck that was.
Okay, guys. Alright, Mordecai and Kaito, you both. Wait, this is me and Angel need to be talking right now, okay? You guys,
Why?
Let's go back to the lobby.
We're
User left your channel.
last minute dealing.
Yeah, last minute.
Okay.
So your guys' complaint requested that my client be banned,
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
and my cross complaint against your client requested that they be banned. Kept banned for as long as Mordecai had to be banned.
What
User in your
prove?
channel is recording.
Oh
Wait,
god.
what? Oh, okay. But that closing argument where he said...
be
Channel
burned
switched.
instead of
Alright,
banned.
alright. They're talking.
Alright, wait, Corrupt, you're not supposed to be in this channel.
I don't think he is.
User was moved out of your
okay.
channel.
Okay. So that's kind of, instead of banning, I think.
Yeah, they just, but, yeah, because I talked to Kaito and Skype, and all he wants is just for the damage to be repaired. He doesn't want, Mordecai to get banned, and honestly, if I can be completely honest, I don't see enough damage to the point where he should be banned.
Yeah, and I don't either. I still think whoever loses should go be fried at the gallows for recording.
I'm all good with that. I mean, it would be humorous to see.
And
So-
I don't think Mordecai said he would go back and fix the damage before
Yeah.
we even started this whole court process. So.
I mean, that's all.
So what was the closing statements that was given to the jury? Do they know about the subs?
Yeah, I
Okay.
stated that all my client wanted was the damage to be fixed and community service. That's basically it.
Okay, I'll find out if they're done.
Alright.
User in
they
your
technically-
channel is recording.
They technically did close off the arguments, and we're just deliberating.
Yep,
so
you guys
I think
are
we should
figuring
give
out.
our verdict. Wait, what?
Yep, you guys are trying to figure out the end result.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Because while I do have to say it was definitely irresponsibility on his part, I do think there should be some sort of repayment of damage, like just to actually fix up the tunnel since he did damage it.
Yeah.
Because from the chat, from the photo, it looks like he never actually placed a block to try to make up for it. But that's what I'm saying. There's only one photo. We don't really have the rest of the chat, because if we had the rest of the rest of the chat, or some more photos of the actual tunnel and damage, it would be much easier to call this, but there's really not enough to go off of
Yeah.
for either side. And they haven't brought up much evidence. Oh.
They did bring up the size of the tunnel, though.
Yeah, because that does concern me. If there really was damage to two sides of the tunnel, then that means that
he could have done damage to both and known that there was a tunnel there.
Skippy, what do you think?
I think he needs to check his surroundings more. Either he's lying, or he really is that careless to not check his surroundings.
You know how you take like an oath when you go on the stand? Mordecai didn't give an oath.
Yeah, well, that doesn't matter.
True. But also, I have
It
one
was
question.
to Minecraft, come on.
Oh, sorry. That was an accident, misclick. Oh.
I just clicked.
But one point I wanted to bring up, just things I've noticed about him in chat. Mordecai is not exactly very mature, and when mature people get put on the stand, they tend to do whatever they have to and say whatever they have to try to get out of it. So I wouldn't expect him to own up to his actions if he did do it. So I'm just pointing that out. And again, Corrupt hasn't been all that mature either. In fact, nobody here has really been mature.
Hey.
Well, except NPC.
Pew! I hit her.
Ow!
I'm just saying, there hasn't been much order in this court.
Hey.
I find NPCKiller guilty of hurting his jewelry.
Guilty.
Leading the jury. Okay, so I would like to just say that my verdict, I am kind of leaning towards guilty just because, you know, no actions were done to try to repair or fix the problem. And that's just my opinion. Although, he, like, to some degree is innocent, but also guilty in my opinion. But if there's some guilt...
I'm saying the same thing. I don't want to ban him, but...
Oh yeah, banning, no. Oh, dang it, I was trying to click the thing. I can't figure out the hitbox.
They provided a little more evidence, and he didn't really even try to patch up what he did. So,
yeah. So, you got anything to add, Skiffy?
I think there should be a lesser punishment, though.
Yeah, I mean, like, community service, like, I think he should
Not
just,
a
like, go ahead and
temporary
repair the tunnel.
That or temporary ban, at least, like, a 5-day temporary ban.
I wouldn't say 5 days, and I think it's up to the jury to decide the actual... I'm not the jury, the judge, to decide the actual penalty. But... But is he in our chat thing?
What about you,
Yeah,
Skippy?
that didn't say that he left.
Oh.
What about you, Skippy?
1 second.
I think that he should get some type of punishment.
So, we all think that he should get punishment, but not like an actual ban. Hey!
Sorry about that, my mom won't shut up.
It's alright. I'm cutting this part out anyway because I want it to be like surprise to them.
Alright, so have we got a verdict?
I think so. I'm not presenting it. Alright.
Skiffy can present it.
Oh god.
Alright, NPC, can you move us back to the main channel?
Yep.
User was moved out of your channel. User was moved out of your channel. User was moved out of your channel. User in your channel is recording.
Okay.
Order in the court! Oh wait, you're already quiet.
What are we ordering?
Alright.
Holding our
Pizza?
breath.
Yeah. Alright, the jury has come up with a verdict. Miss Baker, would you please step forward and give the verdict? You're so loud, please be quiet.
I'm sorry. This is our first time. We find... Oh.
No bribing. No bribing.
Bribery.
Thank you.
Bribery.
But I don't want these.
It's just a gift. You don't have to
You
take
can
your
have
verdict.
Oh, diamonds too. Nice.
Okay.
Can we get the verdict?
Okay, we find Mordecai guilty.
On what cases? In order to explain yourself. why you feel that way.
Minnie, do you want to try explaining?
It's Skippy.
Sure.
She's got to explain it.
Well, this court's already gone into the fan anyway.
Miss Banker, you was saying?
Silence.
Alright, this one's broken. Bring up the next one.
Okay, so summarize, we find the defendant Mordecai guilty of a degree of criminal negligence. Simply put, we do believe that he possibly or probably caused damage to the tunnel and just simply was not aware of his surroundings. And we believe he should be sentenced to repairing the tunnel, I guess. I guess that's what we decided on.
Your Honor, this is a civil court. They cannot find criminal negligence in a civil court. That's a criminal charge.
You're a criminal charge.
Yeah.
Alright, Mr. Backwards Name, please have a seat. I hereby... Oh, don't put your head down yet, baby. It's not over yet. I hereby find Mordecai guilty. He is to repair the damage, pay for the damage, and burn in lava. He has already served a 2-day ban. That is enough for that. Next time, it will be set up as a little bit more. I do appreciate you guys coming out today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and to everybody that's in here except for Skiffy because she don't do YouTube. And go to their channels and see their view. Till next time, guys. Have a great time.
Well, we have to serve the sentence.
Wait, yeah, the sentence.
Your sentence is served.
No, we have to burn him.
Oh yeah, let's go burn.
Burn the witch.
If you all just follow.
Oh, we're actually... Okay.
Be quiet, guys. Guys, slow down, guys. Whoa. It's like a stampede of stone, grass, and everything.
There's a chest
You might
there,
wanna
Mordecai.
put
Okay, thank you. I was worried about that.
Back off, I'm doing it.
Considering you just, found my client guilty of something you can't find him guilty of, I think I should pull the switch.
No, I think you should all stand still. Stand still.
Wait a minute, does that mean I win my cross complaint for the suit being about griefing and you didn't find him guilty of griefing? They should both burn.
Yeah, they're both burn.
They're both
Cross,
burn.
put your shit in the chest, you're burning too.
The complaint was for griefing and there was no griefing.
No, just wait. Don't do it yet. Both go at the same time. There's not actually enough room for another.
Oh, okay.
Give your stuff to me. I'll hold it.
Hold on, I've got another
User in your channel timed out.
Oh,
what?
timed out.
Oh, didn't want to serve you.
I still feel that we should make this into an actual series.
No. Yeah, we
Like,
should.
it seems like it would be a lot more fun if it was like planned out.
Yellow.
Yeah. Yeah, like just be like ridiculous
Yellow.
fictional charges.
The case of the sheep shearer, the cereal shearer.
Case of the pumpkin eater.
I call judge.
That's fine. Me and Orion are building a law firm.
Sweet.
Alright,
guys.
finish my dinner. I have pizza getting cold. So,
Alright, well,
see you guys.
actually, this is the end of the episode, guys, so we'll see you later. Make sure you subscribe to everyone you see here. We love you. Leave us a like. See you next time.
Bye.
Disconnect user
Bye.
disconnected from your channel.
Really? You found him guilty of that?